Canada, EU, UK, and the USA are alarmed by traces of cow urine and cow dung in foods, spices, cosmetics, even toothpaste that are made in India. The cow is a sacred animal in India. Drinking cow urine, taking a bath with cow urine, and eating cow dung are spiritual rituals in the Hindu religion. Hindus believe cow urine and cow dung would heal a number of diseases and ailments such as fever, epilepsy, peptic ulcers, asthma, blood disorders, liver problems, stomach problems, heart disease, and even cancer.
Narendra Modi-led Hindu nationalist government is increasingly pushing urine and cow dung in all edible products. Indians are increasingly drinking, washing their face, and taking a bath in cow dung.
The Indian government wants to research something, but scientists in the country say, please don't. At the center of the debate are cow products. The government of India has invited proposals for research on the benefits of cow dung and urine. The idea is to make utility products like shampoo and toothpaste out of them. The document inviting scientists and NGOs cited several Ayurvedic texts and ancient texts. And the document claimed that products from cows are prescribed for a range of health disorders. Listen to the list: asthma, arthritis, kidney malfunctions, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even cancer. Apparently, Ayurvedic texts say that cow products can cure most of these. The program is called Scientific Utilization Through Research, Prime Products from Indigenous Cows.
Cow urine and cow dung have become a booming business in India. With the current corona pandemic, Hindu groups and religious conservatives are offering cow urine in a bid to ward off the coronavirus. Cow dung cakes and cow urine are being sold widely next to foods in the Indian grocery stores across the USA. These products are easily available for purchase from Amazon. BBC also did a report on cow urine being sold alongside food in London shops. Cow urine is being marketed as a healthy alternative to Coke and Pepsi. Also, there are